Hola amigos! Welcome back to the Spanish Spot. Today we're learning one of the most important tenses in Spanish, the preterite tense, or el pretérito. We use the preterite to talk about actions that happened in the past and are completed. Think of it as talking about what you did yesterday, last weekend, or last summer. What is the preterite? The preterite is used when we describe finished actions in the past. For example, I studied yesterday. We traveled last summer. They ate breakfast at 8. In Spanish, those sentences are Yo estudié ayer. Viajamos el verano pasado. Ellos desayunaron a las 8. Notice that each verb changes its ending. That's the preterite conjugation. Conjugation patterns. Let's look at how to conjugate regular verbs in the preterite. AR verbs, example, hablar, to speak. Yo hablé. Tú hablaste. Él, ella, usted, habló. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, hablaron. Example, ayer yo hablé con mi amigo. Yesterday I talked with my friend. ER verbs, example, comer, to eat. Yo comí. Tú comiste. Él, ella, usted, comió. Nosotros comimos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, comieron. Example, tú comiste pizza anoche. You ate pizza last night. IR verbs, example, vivir, to live. Yo viví. Tú viviste. Él, ella, usted vivió. Nosotros vivimos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes vivieron. Example, nosotros vivimos en España por 2 años. We lived in Spain for 2 years. Now let's use the preterite to talk about real-life situations like your daily routine or last vacation. Daily routine example. Ayer me levanté temprano. I got up early yesterday. Me duché y desayuné con mi familia. I took a shower and had breakfast with my family. Luego trabajé y estudié toda la tarde. Then I worked and studied all afternoon. Last summer example. El verano pasado viajé a la playa. Last summer I traveled to the beach. Nadé, caminé por la arena y comí helado. I swam, walked on the sand, and ate ice cream. Fue un verano increíble. It was an amazing summer. Last weekend, example. El fin de semana pasado salí con mis amigos. Last weekend I went out with my friends. Vimos una película y cenamos juntos. We watched a movie and had dinner together. Let's review. Use the preterite to talk about completed actions in the past. Regular verbs follow clear patterns. AR, a, aste, o, amos, aron. ER, I, iste, yo, imos, yeron. Add time expressions like ayer, yesterday, anoche, last night, el verano pasado, last summer, or la semana pasada, last week. Now it's your turn. Think about what you did yesterday, last weekend, or last summer, and try to say it in Spanish using the preterite tense. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Spanish Spot, and keep practicing Spanish every day. Hasta la próxima, amigos.